These logs are pretty decent, like I was saying, and this wood's really dirty, so air filter probably needs to be blown out. This is the ultimate test to see how reliable it is. The Gearhead Performance air filter kit mod, whatever you want to call that, just I still was getting fines in my saw, so I didn't clean the air filter. Damage the chain, not going to hit the dirt with that thing. That's all good wood right there. It's crazy. Like I said, this has been here for so long, no one's touched it because it's kind of iffy, but like I said, I wish I just had some better gear on because that was kind of sketchy, but I'm still here. Like the lumber just breaks off of it, and this is hard stuff. This is harder than oak, I promise you. Maybe not red oak, but white oak. Amble oak, that's the type of oak that's in my area. Not sure how hard that is. Make another cut for you guys here. off like I'm saying, guys. Let's try to do a cut for you guys real quick. Such a good chain, man. Can't get. Yeah, I know there's a lot bigger, like there's pines here that are, this is like a small pine, but for a juniper tree, that thing is big, big. So let me get this puppy up here. There's probably ants all over it. That's all right. She's gonna be heavy. That's where all the freaking, I know my family would probably want that stuff, but because that's who I'm grabbing firewood, is for my family. No, they're not paying me. All right, that's a big dog right there. Kind of nice to go back to this saw after running that one, but I think that's a good weight. 60 cc's. That's what I prefer to use. Let her warm up. That was just dogged in as hard as I could push. As you guys can see, I stopped it, but man, I was pushing as hard as I could right there. So do one more. Don't want to get too crazy out here. pretty good. Got to put a better tune on it. I prefer a tune that makes it easier to start rather than super duper fast, the fastest cutting speed tune. Like I said, I'd rather have a tune that'll make it easier to start on it. But yeah, she's pretty dusty, ran her pretty hard. Let's see what the verdict is. Look at that. Not a single speck of dirt. No dust, nothing at all. Yeah. Way better than the stock design with any type of filter kit modification you can get on it. Why? How? How is the design? But yeah, not too shabby. Alright, so to do that, all I did was, if you guys would like to see, I just had to modify my air filter housing a little bit, and I'm running a different cap here. But yeah, that's all it is. Could be a little better, but doesn't come off. I ran it all day. Still have to get a 3D printer, so that's going to be a little bit down the road. So I had to get some new hardware for that. Anyways, those Gearhead Performance deflectors look great. Like, look at that thing, man. It's just too bad it gets covered. Like, she sure is a beauty, though. Man, like I said, it's too bad it gets covered. At least on the 4910, you can see it. If you guys like the video, hit that like button. I got some more Echo stuff coming. And the 68cc cylinders coming for the John Cutter and the air filter kit. Subscribe, guys. That really helps out the channel.